Let's talk about managing your real estate listings. Go to the Manage Programs page and look for the real estate system. Keep in mind this page is going to change constantly as we add new programs, so you'll have to look for the real estate listings on the Manage Programs page as all the other programs. It'll take you to a page where you have your listings. From this page you can view the listing, you can add or delete photos, you can move it to the sold, remove it, add titles to the slides, or you can view the source, which can be used for posting on sites like Craigslist. So let's look at adding and deleting photos. We go to a page that shows the photos. This main photo is the most important because that's going to be the thumbnail that gets shown on most of the pages on your galleries. You'll see on the left hand side, you'll see the pictures. You'll see that you can upload up to 25 pictures per property. We only have 3 in this one. If we want to add an additional picture, we're looking at number 4. It doesn't matter which pictures you put them in as long as you have one in the number 1 spot. We'll go ahead and order here. We click on Browse. We find the picture in our computer, double click on that, go down, and it's a little ways down because of the number of pictures. Click on Upload, and now we have this extra picture in here. It looks like it's the wrong house. We'll go ahead and delete it. Click on Delete. It asks us if we want to remove the image. We confirm yes, and now you'll see the image is gone. We'll go back to the main Manage Listings page. If we want to move this to the Sold page, right now we have 6 properties listed. We want to move it to Sold. It's going to confirm that we want to move it to Sold. And now you'll see it is no longer in the gallery, it's now in the sold properties. We can go over the sold properties where we can view it, reactivate it, or remove it. If we want to reactivate a listing, click on Reactivate, simply click Yes, and you'll see we have no sold gallery. Go back to the Manage Listings and the house is back in here. This is useful if you have a contract on a house or if a house is sold and might come back on the market, or you just want to show people what you're selling. You can move it over to a sold gallery. We can add titles to the slides in the slideshow, so it'll show us our pictures that we have in here, and we can type in, this might be the dining room. So we'll put in large dining area there. And you can do that for up to 25 slides. We'll click on Update Titles. When we go out and we view it on our main website, and we'll look for our house, click on this. On our slideshow, you'll see now that it has the titles in here on the slides. We put in one in the dining area. We should see that large dining area. So the titles can be added to the slide. You can put descriptions up to 200 characters. You can put a pretty decent description in there talking about what the room is or something about it. If you want to remove the property, you can click on Remove, click on Yes. We remove that property. It's no longer in here. It's not in the sold. We've deleted all the pictures and the files from the website. We can also modify the text. Modify the text, we're talking about the descriptions that you have for the property. And here we left the letter out in kitchen. Add that back in. And you can go through and you can modify, check your spelling and modify your descriptions. Add in things. In here we didn't have the zoning, which is farm. We didn't have the year assessed, the tax value, taxes paid. So we need to go in and correct those things. Put in that there's 5 parking spots, 2-car garage, taxes paid, $1,000 in 2012. You can modify anything in here at any time. Come back and modify the description and then update it, and that'll update that property on your website. To edit this, to look at the source, you click on Source. You can click in here, it'll select everything. You can copy it and then paste it over into websites like Craigslist, where it will copy your entire page. So it will copy this page and show this entire page on here. It will not have the slideshow, it'll only have the main picture. It will have all the information and links back to your website. So So that's a good feature if you're advertising on outside classified sites. That's all there really is to managing the inventory.